Are you craving something sweet but want to keep it healthy? Well, I have got just the recipe for you. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, I spilled it. Okay. Hey everyone, I'm Suhana Dechama Kalmaranda, your dietitian. I'm a health and beauty content creator. Without wasting time, let's start the video. I don't have an assistant, so Mike, you be here. In this, I have taken 50 grams of dates and 50 grams of seeds, where we show you that eating nutritious doesn't mean sacrificing taste. This is a dark chocolate which is 70%. I have taken 50 grams. No sugar treat, dark chocolate laddu with dates and seeds. Let's talk about dark chocolate. A lot of people think chocolate is unhealthy, but 70% dark chocolate is full of antioxidant and has no added sugar, can help improve brain function and heart health. So yes, you can indulge gluten free. I'll give you the nutritional value of single laddu in the description box, so go and check out. These little guys are loaded with healthy fats, protein and omega-3, which keeps your energy level stable. So what are you waiting for? Give these laddus a try and let me know how they turned out in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more such videos. Until next time, eat healthy and feel great.